In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly upload and share a large file using Google Drive. Whether you're sending important documents for work or sharing a video clip with family, Google Drive makes it simple and secure. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First, you'll want to open up your web browser and head over to drive.google.com. This is your gateway to Google Drive, where all the storage magic happens. If you're not already signed in, make sure to log in with your Google account. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, take a look at the upper left corner. You'll see a colorful plus sign next to the word New. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, choose either File Upload if you're uploading a single file, or Folder Upload if you're dealing with a bunch of files. Now it's time to locate the file you wish to upload from your computer. So find that large file sitting on your desktop or wherever it may be stored and select it for upload. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your file, this could take a few moments. You'll notice a handy progress bar at the bottom right of your screen that lets you know when the upload is complete. Once your file has successfully uploaded, go ahead and right-click on it. A menu will pop up with several options. You're going to want to click on Share, which is where you'll set permissions for who can view or download your file. In the sharing settings, look for the section that says General Access. There's a drop-down menu here, and this is crucial because it determines who can have access to your file. For the easiest way to share without restrictions, go ahead and select Anyone with the link. This is particularly useful if you're planning to send this file to someone outside your network or if it's for multiple people. To keep things simple and secure, under Access Settings, choose Viewer. This ensures that the recipients can only view or download the file and not make any changes to it. Next, hit Copy Link. This will copy the sharing link directly to your clipboard. Once that's done, click Done to exit the sharing settings. You're almost there. Now you just need to paste this link where it's most convenient for you to send it from. This could be an email, a message on Facebook Messenger, or even a WhatsApp chat. And just like that, your file is on its way securely and swiftly. I hope you found this walkthrough easy to follow. As always, remember to keep your sharing settings in mind to maintain control over your files. Thank you for watching and happy sharing.